Hi, this is Lori and Dwayne from Have Khaki Shorts Will Travel. We are on our way to Olympic National Park. On our way to Olympic National Park. Yay!
Here we go.
Beautiful colors, fall colors here in the Northwest. And we thought we had to go to the east. Still want to do this, but enjoying the colors of the West.
Always road construction.
We got the fog, we got the trees with the colors, we got the mountain range, the beautiful Highway 101 if you're in Washington. A lot different than the 101 in the Bay Area. Right, Dwayne?
That's right.
31 more miles to the visitor center.
We're on our way to the visitor center. Look at this, man. Look at this. Beautiful trees.
It took us about 4 hours to get to Port Angeles from Seattle, but we made a lot of stops along the way and the beautiful scenery. The drive is just simply gorgeous. We really enjoyed it. We are at the Olympic National Park Visitor Center, and we can't get enough of all these beautiful trees with the fall colors. It took us about an hour from the visitor center to get to the trailhead for Solduck Falls. It takes a while to get anywhere in this park, but it's totally worth it. The journey is half the adventure. The visitor center was very nice. We got our passports and got stamps in our passports. Our first stamps. We're going to be exploring all the national parks, and we look forward to getting more stamps in our passport. The Solduck Trail is 0.8 miles in and back. The Solduck Falls Trail through this beautiful forest. The trail has an easy incline with beautiful views on your way to the falls. There it is. Made it to Solduck Falls. It is pretty impressive. And the gorge. Another viewpoint of the falls. Everything is nice and green from the rain. Made it to the whole Rainforest Visitor Center. Started raining a little bit on us, but what would you expect in a rainforest? Parking lot is not too busy here in November. We are on the Hall of Mosses Trail. The rainforest was spectacular, hard to believe, only an hour away from Forks. The trees looked almost fuzzy, or they did look fuzzy. It was really an interesting experience to explore this forest with all these beautiful trees. Although it was raining in the rainforest when we were there, you really couldn't tell. The trees gave you so much coverage, and it just made the experience even more enjoyable in my eyes. Now, this is why we call the channel Have Khaki Shorts Will Travel. Dwayne wears khaki shorts wherever we travel. Beautiful views here of the whole rainforest. And it's raining in the rainforest.
A lot.
Not that much. We're here in La Push, Washington, in Olympic National Park. At First Beach, we have some blue sky out here on the coast. A break from the rain.
Wow, quite a bit of it.
A lot, yeah. We are in the city of Forks, most famous for being the setting of the Twilight book series. Dwayne has been counting the days to be here. At the visitor center here, the past and the future. At the Forks Chamber of Commerce, we have the trucks from the movie and the book. In Forks, you can see a lot of scenes from Twilight. They even have a Forever Twilight store, and they have the inn where we stayed, which is the Cullen House. Nice room at the Miller Tree Inn Bed and Breakfast. Has a fireplace. Nice bed. Some good reading for this house that inspired the author for the Collins house in the book Twilight. We are in the Country Clover room. Very nice, including a nice soaking tub after our hikes today. We really enjoyed our stay in the Cullen house, and it was a beautiful place to just look at the scenery outside and see some cows. It was a lot of fun. We are at the Tree of Life. As you can see, the tree is not in the ground, but it's still alive. It's hanging on to the two sides of the cliff. The Tree of Life is located south of the whole rainforest, just a short walk from the parking lot. It was beautiful on the North Washington coast. We didn't stay for sunset, even though it looked like it might be a nice one, because we wanted to head to our hotel at Lake Quinault, which was about a 45-minute drive from the trailhead. The Lake Quinault Lodge is a historical lodge in Olympic National Park. It's located on the southern end of the park. You can make reservations through the National Park site. Quinault Lodge, very nice, has a nice fireplace, and the best part is this beautiful view of the lake and the mountain range with a pretty little gazebo down there. Next to the main lodge. There's a couple chairs here. Very peaceful. I love this lodge. It's gorgeous. The rooms are amazing. The lobby is a great place to hang out since there's no cell and no Wi-Fi, but it's a fun place to be. Quiet morning here at Lake Quinault at the lodge. Our room was right over there in that building by the main lodge building. There's some nice chairs in front of the lodge with a beautiful view of the lake. Uh-oh, Bigfoot's here. We enjoyed our last few hours in the park, in the lodge. We enjoyed the view of the lake as well as enjoyed the fireplace. We dined at the restaurant, the Roosevelt Room, which I highly recommend. And we just can't wait to come back to this park. We are going to explore other national parks, and I hope you follow us. Have khaki shorts, we'll travel.